those things I wanted to do was be able to be employed as opposed to going to school. Commutair afforded that for me, and this was a great opportunity as opposed to heading to college for that.
We've even spoke to parents that just cannot believe the opportunity that we provide, and it kind of sets their heart at ease when they find out that, wait, there is more to life than going to college.
The AMTs that just got here, fresh out of college, are like, I wish I'd have known about this, because you're getting paid, working to get where I am. I paid X amount at this university or college for it.
The apprenticeship program at Commute is actually a very good way to switch over from being a car tech or anything like that into a plane mechanic.
I was already working as an automotive mechanic before in the past, so I figured why not work on the next biggest thing as far as mechanical goes.
It was a completely hands-on, 100% immersion. It was a fantastic program to get into, and really it was turning wrenches on day one.
We do pay you to learn. It's a 30-month program. After the 30 months, you will test for your license, and then you of course get a significant increase in your hourly pay.
To begin with, it's a license to learn, but there really is no end where it can take you.
It can take you anywhere you want to go as far as being a mechanic and beyond that. The other day I was doing control cables, and now I'm working with the pneumatic systems, so every day's been different.
Much like a college degree, it's yours. It can never be taken away from you.
Plenty of hires in the 80s, and those guys are now set to retire. There's a huge opportunity for people that want to dip their toes in this industry right now.